Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, we will make pan de Siosa. Pan de Siosa is a soft, pull-apart Filipino bread with generous toppings of butter, sugar, and grated cheddar cheese. Let's get baking! For the dough, we will need 3 1/4 cups of plain flour plus more for dusting, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of warm fresh milk, 1 large egg, 1 egg yolk, 1/3 cup of white sugar, 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. For the full list of ingredients, check out the description below. To start, combine the flour, sugar, and salt. In the stand mixer, add the milk, eggs, yeast, and the dry ingredients. Knead this for about 8 to 10 minutes. During the kneading, gradually add the butter. If the dough is too sticky, just add a bit of flour, about 1 tablespoon at a time. After kneading, transfer it into a greased bowl. Cover it and let it rest for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Now, grease the 8 inches pans. Then, set this aside. Once the dough has doubled in size, transfer it into the work surface. Punch it to release air bubbles. Cut it in half. Shape it into a log. And divide it into 8 portions. Shape each portion into a ball. Transfer it into the pan. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Then, cover them with tea towel and let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Now, brush it with egg wash. Just beat 1 egg. And bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the top is golden brown. After baking, let it completely cool. Once it's completely cool, generously top the bread with butter. Then, sprinkle some sugar and top it with grated cheddar cheese. And here's our finished product! Pan de Siosa is so soft and fluffy, perfect for a hot coffee. And this is what it looks like inside. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!